The top cover is equipped with a battery wire socket, a dual motor machine with a single motor machine that does not have a controller heat dissipation hole, a power wire socket, a light bulb, a temperature probe, a humidity probe, and a flip motor docking plug. All of these components are fitted with small fans and require continuous operation for 24 hours. Different machine sizes have varying quantities of fans, and there is a built-in heating wire in the air duct for temperature regulation purposes. We possess a dual motor with a power cord as well as a battery cord for enhanced functionality. The single electric machine does not have a water pipe or a water storage tank. Scroll bounce. Buffer tube, scroll wheel, bridge bracket, spiral rod, flip motor, overload motor, docking plug, transparent handle, connection cable, power switch, control panel, charging port, protective cover. Position the machine chassis inside the middle frame. Choose the closed ventilation option that is appropriate for the ambient temperature, and make sure that the water hole in the middle frame chassis is automatically refilled with water as needed. Put hopper box into middle frame. Pay attention to facing water inlet on right side of machine. Install roller in single row. Before installation, check if male and female heads at both ends of roller are loose. Make sure both ends are securely connected before installation. When installing, place one end of roller with gears on side of screw rod. You can adjust the distance between the rollers according to the size of the eggs to facilitate hatching eggs of different sizes. After installing the roller egg tray, connect the egg turning motor and dock the plug. Put the lid on. In early incubation, use water supply with 50 to 70% humidity. Short-term fluctuations in humidity have no impact on the process. First, connect one end of the pipe to the inlet hole on the machine chassis. Fill the Coke bottle with water and then connect it to the storage tank. Block the outlet hole of the tank. Quickly turn the Coke bottle and the tank upside down. Then connect the tank to the pipe. Pay attention. If tank is higher than machine, it causes excessive water storage and overflow. Ensure power cord is securely plugged in to avoid poor contact and burning out machine. When power is cut off, unplug cord in time to avoid unstable voltage when power is restored. When machine is burned out and power is cut off, connect red positive pole of 12V50A plus battery and black negative pole. Battery should have its own electricity, not connected to machine with battery line. Multi-layer machines have single plug and double plug motors, single plug motor at bottom. Do not connect battery line and machine simultaneously. Insert the dual socket motor into the upper middle frame. Remove the lower layer flip motor docking plug from the transparent handle position of the upper layer and place the lower layer motor plug into the egg expansion frame to connect it with the upper layer motor intermediate plug one by one. Finally, connect the plug on the top motor to the plug on the upper cover. If the temperature stays within the limit, the process should be enclosed in a foam box. When the ambient temperature is below the set temperature, use additional clothes to insulate the machine, keeping it at least 50 centimeters above the ground to prevent the ground temperature from affecting the internal temperature.